Hello everyone. Today I'm working on my 2015 Honda Accord. Um, I heard in different forums they talked about the V6s burning oil, and I believe this one's burning a little bit of oil. And I read that changing the PCV valve, it can help in regards with the consuming of the oil. So I seen that on YouTube there's not that many videos in regards with how to change the PCV valve on a V6, and I'm not sure, on the ninth generations from 2013 to 2017, if the inline fours are the same, the 2.4 or the hybrids. And just wanted to make a short video in regards with this. So I found the PCV valves. You have to remove the cover, and underneath here you can see it is right there. So there's a screw. You can't really see it through there, but I have to remove the screw. So maybe removing this screw right here would help you in regards with getting this out of the way, this thing. And so let's walk through it. All right, so this is the PCV valve, and if you can see, I have my 10 millimeter on the bolt itself. It's right there. So you got to remove the bolt to be able to take the PCV valve off. So I was able to remove the screw, and the PCV valve should be able to come off. So here we go, and this is a PCV valve. I also was able to acquire the PCV valve at the Auto Zone. This is probably the part number. I mean, you can go to your local Auto Zone or any auto parts store and try getting it. So there's instructions that also come with the PCV valve, and one of the things that they recommend is to lubricate the O-ring on the new one, and also something in regards with the little piece that you need to keep. I mean, you can just read the instructions and follow them through them, and just put it back on the reversed order, and hopefully this helps in regards with my burning oil. I mean, it's just a little bit, but hopefully it helps. And I hope this video helps you guys in regards with locating the PCV valve. Have a good one.